Hey there, today we're going to look at how to scale objects in AutoCAD effectively. So let's get started. First, select the objects you want to scale by clicking on them and make sure everything is selected properly. Over here, this ensures no part is missed that could affect your design. Then go to the Home tab and find the Modify section. After that, click on the Scale option to start the scaling process. Over here, you can also type SC into the command line and press Enter. Then this quickly activates the Scale command for faster workflow. After that, choose a base point by clicking inside the selected objects. Then this point will act as the anchor for scaling. Over here, select the base point carefully because it controls the final position and orientation. After that, the scaling will depend on this reference point. Then decide how you want to scale the object, either by moving your mouse or entering a scale factor. Over here, this gives you both manual and precise control options. After that, confirm your scaling and check that your object's size matches your requirement. Then this completes the scaling process in AutoCAD. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.